Seeking answers is a timeless human pursuit. But behind every great answer, there's an even greater question. A question that takes you beyond. Is timeless design ahead of its time? Can electric power take us into a new era? Can you feel with your ears? Can silence create a sound you've never heard before? Can a composed symphony of light welcome you? Can we bend the laws of physics to create shorter turns? Can a seamless glass display blend intuition and sophistication? Do we have to leave our comfort zone to create a new comfort? Can a machine excel at craftsmanship? What's the perfect color to express a mood? Can ingenuity be experienced with every breath? How do you measure the value of time? How does a fragrance inspire the imagination? What's the most comfortable way to lead the way? Even when there are no logical answers, when we see something beyond our imagination, then we know it's real, without question. Welcome, the all-new Mercedes-Maybach EQS SUV. Welcome to Beyond.